Good morning. Let's look at three quick stocks to trade today, Tuesday, 16th of May. Let's kick it off with Boeing. Boeing, we see we got some consolidation after this move out that lower demand zone. Right, pop back up, started consolidating sideways. So right now, what we want to do is actually break and hold above this consolidation right here. Now we're getting rejections pretty much over and over again at 203.30, 203.03 there, and then 203.24. All right, so let's get over 203.30. Let's get a 5-minute close above that level, and then we can go ahead and move back up towards 204.7. Keep in mind that we can pull back a little bit midway, retest that old resistance as support prior to making that continued move up. We're gonna just go ahead and set an alert right there. Hop over to AMC. What you see is had a pretty nice pullback down to this demand zone on the 4-hour. All right, we see we got some bounce here. We had some over here as well. So we go ahead, pull back here. All right, let's take it up to the daily. We see just pretty much straight drop down back to this level we originally bounced off of for the first move up. And so taking the aim to see if we can get a clean high. Yesterday's high is 524. I'm gonna set an alert for 525. Want to break above that high, and of course, it's more safe to have a 5-minute or 15-minute close above the level rather than just a breakout, because a breakout could turn to a fake out. FedEx at the demand zone after the break of this triangle came back, and we're looking for the same thing on FedEx just to make a new high. And we got an inside candle as well, so we could take that high up to yesterday's high of about 226. It's 225.98. This high is 223.46. So we're gonna go 223.47 and enter on the first break of the high, or wait on that 5-minute, 15-minute close for a little more safety. All right, so that's it. 3 stocks for the day. Tuesday, May 16th. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Y'all have a great day. Make some money. See y'all later.